In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print ChatGPT conversation. If you want to print a ChatGPT conversation, this tutorial will show you one of the quickest and easiest ways to do it. Whether you'd like a printed copy for your records, want to keep a helpful response for future reference, or simply prefer reading a conversation on paper, the process is straightforward. I'll guide you through each part so you know exactly what to do and what to expect along the way. To begin, open ChatGPT in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you've reached the main dashboard, locate the conversation you want to print. You'll find your previous chats listed in the conversation history on the left side of the screen. Click on the conversation you want so it opens completely in the main chat window. After opening the conversation, take a moment to verify that you've selected the correct chat. Scroll through the conversation if necessary to make sure all of the content you want to print is visible. Then click anywhere inside the chat window to make sure it's active. If you only want to focus on a particular section, you can also drag your mouse across the text to highlight the portion you'd like to reference before printing. Once everything is ready, right-click anywhere within the conversation page. A context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose the Print option. Your web browser will then open its built-in print preview window, allowing you to review the conversation before sending it to a printer or saving it digitally. Inside the print preview window, you'll have several settings you can customize. You can select your preferred printer, choose the page orientation, adjust the number of copies, and preview how each page will appear. Taking a few moments to review the preview can help ensure the conversation is formatted the way you expect before continuing. If you don't need a physical copy, you can also choose to save the conversation as a PDF instead. In most browsers, this is available by changing the print destination to Save as PDF. This option is useful if you'd like to keep a digital copy that you can access later or share when appropriate. After confirming your settings, simply click Print if you're sending the conversation to a printer, or Save if you've chosen the PDF option. Your ChatGPT conversation will then be printed or saved using the format you selected. And that's it. You now know how to print a ChatGPT conversation quickly and easily, whether you need a paper copy or a convenient digital version for future reference. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,